Hey guys, Mr. PJ Ripper here. Stupid name, I know, but I'm here to show you my new bike I got. It's a 2011 complete Podium, made by Intense. We got a size Pro. I used to have an Expert XL, but outgrew that. But let me start off from the front and go to the back. We got a Sins brake lever, brake cable, also Sins grips, Sins carbon fiber forks, really good forks. They held up from my crash that broke the collarbone. Not going to be able to race for 6 to 8 weeks, but it's fine. Come back. ITS tires, really doesn't say what kind of rims are on the tire. Gonna believe they're Sins also. But it's a size 20.75 in the front. Sins hubs. And yeah, the frame is 3 pounds. It's like 3.6, I think, 3.6, something like that. THE seat and seat post is by Sins. Also got Sins sprocket, Sins cranks, Shimano DX pedals. Really like these pedals. The first pedals I got for clipless, and they're just really nice. I just like them so much. Definitely going to keep them. Then we also got Sins brakes. Kind of having some problems with this side. Rubbing on the tires, not even working. ITS tires, ITS MK2, 20.5 in the back. Sins chain tensors. Let me try to get that. Alright. Sins chain tensors. Sins hubs. I said shins. Sins hubs. And just like the front, I don't know what the rims are. And yeah, basically think that sums it up. Gonna plan on building this bike up. First thing I want to get is new grips. I credit you Sins for making them, but I'd rather have ODI grips. They're just like the ones I have on my old bike. So much better, more comfortable for me. And new cranks. Have nothing against these cranks. They're heavy though, so wanted to get rid of that. There's just a few things I'd like to change up. The hubs, well, the hubs are good. Like anybody else, you'd rather have a big brand name, but it's fine. Not as loud as a lot of them are, but still loud when you hear it out in person when you're riding. 43 size sprocket, I forgot to mention that. 44 actually. And 16 in the back. I was running a 43-15, so I had to pedal. I had more power, but I was pedaling slower. So now I'm pedaling faster and going faster. But yeah, this pretty much sums up the bike. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll come back with more videos eventually. Oh yeah, Sins headset. Forgot about that, but come back with more videos eventually. Gonna vest up, get back on the bike in hopefully 6 weeks. But thank you for watching.